Hi, my name is Dale Richards. I'm here in Hartford, Connecticut, and I'm here with Kelly, who's been in the Emerging Leaders Program for 2 years, and today was Customer Focus, her final class before she graduates. Tell us, Kelly, about your company, about yourself, and what you enjoyed about the Emerging Leaders Program.
Great, thanks, Dale. I work for the Human Resources Consulting Group. We're a third-party HR world, and we support the HR ops side and also payroll. So lots going on there in the day-to-day. Dale today talked to us about customer focus. It was so critical and gave us so many tools that I can really implement and put into practice daily and really focus on what's going to make our customers have the best experience. The Emerging Leaders Program has been outstanding every single time we've come. Will has been amazing and has given us so many tools to really become better leaders and think about and remember the things that are important to our employees day to day.
So the Emerging Leading Program is a 2-year program.
Yep.
You get 12 topics from some of the best speakers in Vistage, and then you have an opportunity to go to the next level of advanced leaders. I have had the opportunity to speak over 530 times to 10,000 Vistage members, and I was a chair for 8 years. The most important decision you can make in business and personally
Definitely.
is to join a Vistage group. So I highly recommend that wherever you are, in whatever city, you look up Vistage and join the group. It'll make the difference of a happy life, successful life, and look at the smiles here.
Don't wait, do it now.
Have a wonderful 2026. Thanks for listening.